Ready? All right, welcome back to Trust Me, I'm an Idiot. What are we doing today, Xavier?
We are making a simple workbench with this here wood.
That's right, making a simple workbench today. So stay tuned, this will be good. Trust me.
Yeah, what you plan and what takes place ain't ever exactly been similar.
All right, there it is. It's 8 foot by 2 foot workbench that we built in like half an hour out of materials I had laying around. So we're gonna build itself. Easy project. This one was very simple, and in the next video we're going to take the simple idea and make it much more interesting. We're building another one, but I want to put space for CNC machine over there. Its own little shelf. I also want to make a flip up for the bandsaw, so I can flip that in and out of the way because I don't use that all that often. Plus, I want to make a kind of inset piece a little bit lower for the table saw. That way I can use the workbenches to support the weight. As you saw maybe in the video, a lot of stuff kind of flopping around all over the place, so that is far from ideal. So that will be in the next one. So, I hope you enjoyed it.